Hello guys, today this is my last part of my slime RNG video. This is part 2. I'm finally buying the jungle area. Wait, what? Finally guys, we got to here. Welcome back to my video. Upgrade some stuff. Oh, this one. Wait. Upgrade this one too. Oh, super luck. Yo! Finally! I'm gonna have some ultra lucks. Wait, what? Oh. What's an ice fruit? What the hell is an ice fruit? Is there something I miss in the grasslands? Oh, just this. Let's go back to the jungle area. Why am I getting doo-doo? Why am I getting doo-doo slimes, bro? I got no luck. Even though I just bought some luck. There's something in my backpack. Oh, ultra luck boost. Finally. Wow. Nice bro saying wow. Machine. Yo, I didn't realize I can do this. Wow. Let's upgrade some stuff. But shiny slimes? Go. Some of this too. I have no more money, bruh. Gun is OP. Super duper OP. We're almost at 500 rolls. upgrade some more. I cannot even afford anything, bro. What? Oh, definitely this one. Definitely this one. Wait. Let me get some of this. 6 time slots. I'll end the video at 500 rolls. Yo, what the hell? These slimes are tough. We can upgrade some more. Let's try the loot. Oh, what's this? Overkill enemies up to 30. Sure, I like that. Hot dog. Now I want a hot dog so bad. Oh, big slime. Wait, what is this? Yo, what the hell? What the hell? What the hell? What the hell is that, bro? Oh my god. I did not expect that. Upgrade some more. What should I buy? Smart Blitz. This time attack smarts. Enemy is 20. Oh, okay. Oh, Spidey. And guys, comment down below what should I play next. What game and whoa, what's this? Yo! Orbit Divine? Yo, that's so cool. Look here. Oh my god. Okay guys, I'm at 500. Wait, what the hell is this? Bro just interrupted my outro. I'm gonna get this. Unfortunately, guys, this video is ending. Stay tuned for the future videos and make sure to like and subscribe. Peace.